How to select a divorce lawyer. Here are 6 keys to finding the right attorney for you. 1. Experience. Most attorneys these days have narrowed their practice to one or a few areas of the law. Divorce law is a very specialized field, therefore, it is important to find a lawyer that concentrates their practice in area of law that you need, whether it's divorce, child custody, domestic violence, or another family law category. An experienced divorce lawyer will understand the philosophies and tendencies of the judges in the various jurisdictions. That knowledge is extremely valuable and should be used to your benefit. 2. Past client references. An extremely valuable way to gain insight about a particular attorney is to find out what former clients say. Ask family, friends, church members, or co-workers if they know a good family law attorney. Also, most lawyers can give you references of former clients who have agreed to serve as a reference. 3. Professionalism, reputation, and integrity. Some people facing a divorce initially think hiring a shark-type lawyer who will fight dirty is best. Ethics, professionalism, and integrity are important. Consider this. If an attorney is willing to be unethical in some situations, what makes you sure that the attorney will deal honestly with you? Has the lawyer adopted the American Bar Association civility standards for family law practitioners? Finding the right attorney for a divorce includes checking out your attorney's Martindale-Hubbell rating as to both ethics and legal ability. These ratings are a well-respected source based upon confidential ratings by an attorney's peers. Reputation can be a tricky subject. Be cautious of high-profile lawyers because many have reputations cultivated through specializing in criminal law, not family law matters. 4. A lawyer's website. The lawyer's website can be useful to learn a lot about the lawyer. Review the website from top to bottom. You should be able to learn a great deal about the lawyer and their philosophy about the type of service they offer. How does the lawyer differentiate their services from competitors? 5. Communication and access. Schedule an initial conference to meet and talk with the attorney. Do you like their communication style? Some attorneys may appear great on paper or have a recognizable name in the community. Finding the right attorney for a divorce involves examining their unique traits. It is extremely important that you are able to communicate together well and that the lawyer is willing to listen. Many lawyers like to talk but fail to listen. Lawyer dissatisfaction is often rooted in communication problems. Access is imperative. Unlike lawyers who practice in areas other than family law, divorce lawyers spend much of their time in court and their time at the office is often consumed with client conferences. Learn about the office policies of the lawyer. Are phone calls and email returned promptly? Also, be sure the lawyer has experienced support persons available to assist. You should always be able to schedule phone conferences to discuss details of your case. Divorces are often emotional and without attorney access, your frustrations can multiply unnecessarily. An attorney should answer your questions and help counsel you through the difficult times. Good family lawyers have figured out procedures to maintain client communication despite often being scheduled very tightly. 6. A multidisciplinary approach. Many traditional family law attorneys still believe that their obligation to their client is a narrow one. They believe it is essential to resolve only the legal issues and leave the matters pertaining to your emotional stress and anxiety, financial concerns, and divorce transition issues to other professionals. This approach, while typical with many lawyers, tends oftentimes to leave you paralyzed for months or even years after a divorce. Some family lawyers, however, view their role very differently and have forged strong relationships with various professionals from other disciplines including accountants, mental health counselors, social workers, and financial planners. These independent affiliates can assist to provide a multidisciplinary team approach to resolve your legal problems. Taking this more holistic view of your needs can help avoid unnecessary emotional distress as well as save money and time.